Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back with Extreme Dubai. Today we came to you with another model from LigoDLB series, that is LigoDLB 6-15ac. The LigoDLB 6 GHz series is the newest launched product range by LigoWave. It delivers superb connectivity over 6 GHz frequencies. This is the device of LigoDLB 6-15ac. It's a 6 GHz wireless outdoor device with 500 plus Mbps throughput with 802.11ac technology. LigoWave has their own Wi-Fi protocol, that is iPoll 3. So the Wi-Fi protocol of this device is also iPoll 3. Radio mode is MIMO 2x2. The frequency bands are from 5.9 to 6.4 GHz. The transmit power is up to 30 dBm and the channel sizes are 5, 10, 20, 40 and 80 MHz, same as LigoDLB 6-15ac. The device is with integrated dual polarized directional panel antenna. When we unbox the device, we can have a look on that. The antenna gain is 15 dBi. Maximum power consumption is 10 watt. Same as LigoDLB 6-20ac, we can use this device in both scenarios as PTP and PTMP. In PTP, it goes up to 4 km. In PTMP, it goes up to 2 km. The device is with integrated surge protection and zero loss design. The operating temperature is from -40 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. Humidity is 0 to 90% non-condensing. Okay guys, time to unbox the device right now. This is the quick start guide. I'll keep aside. And this is the device of LigoDLB 6-15ac. This is the mounting bracket. This is the PoE adapter. This is the PoE cable. And finally, this is weatherproof cap. You can have a look on the quick start guide if you want to know more about the device. This is the device, LigoDLB 6-15ac. This is the front side of the device. It's pretty handy product. And this is the back side of the device. These are the LED indicators. This is Ethernet port. You can use weatherproof cap here, like this. This is mounting bracket. You can use a bracket here. This is the PoE adapter. This is LAN port and this is PoE port. This is power port. This is PoE cable. I hope you got information of the device from today's video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like and follow our Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you soon.